Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 8 best ways to reduce acne scars naturally. Acne scars are annoying and ugly marks that rob away the charm of your face, leaving you unhappy all the time. If you don't want to spend time or money on conventional skin treatments, you can use natural ways to get rid of acne scars. Rubbing tomato slices on scars regularly will help your skin glow. Applying cucumber juice on bumpy scars helps improve the texture of the skin by reducing inflammation. Apply a mixture of sandalwood paste and rosewater and leave it on your face for an hour, then wash it off. Using diluted tea tree oil helps eliminate bacterial activity, which helps reduce the scars. Soak sage in hot water, allow it to cool, and then rub it on the acne-affected skin for relief. Aloe vera gel is an anti-inflammatory agent that can be applied directly to the acne-prone skin. Apple cider vinegar is a good toner that helps clear up scars and acne marks. Last but not the least, drinking lukewarm water in the morning every day helps flush out toxins. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.